Well, the battery went dead on the thing, completely dead. I charged the battery back up and it showed that it was charged up. But the car is totally unresponsive to anything. The doors are locked, everything's locked, even the glove compartment's locked. The only thing that's open is the trunk, which I opened with that key fob, the fob, and the driver's side door is open because I was smart enough to leave it open. But other than that, the car doesn't do anything. I try to start it, it doesn't even make a click.
Does the dome light come on?
No.
And have you checked all the fuses?
No, I haven't checked the fuses. But
Okay.
they would have to all be out, I would think.
No, not necessarily. If you have a big main or a maxi fuse that would power up a significant amount of little fuses, all of those little fuses wouldn't have power because of the one big fuse that's blown.
Where is the fuse box?
So you have a couple different fuse blocks on the vehicle. So the one that's closest to the battery, if I were in your shoes, I would start there. You have a battery fuse block on battery positive post. Right on the positive battery post, you have a couple main fuses there. I would start there.
Let me go take a look.
Hang on, don't do this now. Let's finish the conversation. And then I'll answer all your questions. I'll let you go. You can work on that, and you're welcome to reply back. And then you also have an underhood auxiliary fuse block. It says below underhood fuse block. And then, hang on here. Oh, underhood fuse block, right side of engine compartment. So you have at least 2, if not maybe even 3 fuse blocks.
Under the hood?
Yes, sir. You probably have one inside the vehicle, but we're not even going to dig that far down because I don't think it's necessary. So if the battery is fully charged, if we don't know, we have to measure the voltage with a voltmeter, make sure it's got 12.6 volts, fully charged. And then those main fuses that are on the battery positive post, let's make sure that A, those fuses are good, and B, those fuses also have battery voltage, the same voltage as the battery, all of them. And then from there, we can go to the regular underhood fuse block. It says right side of engine compartment. And then we check all those fuses, make sure they all also have battery voltage, 12 or 12.6 volts.
I'm getting 12 volts. 12 volts. I don't know about the 0.6.
But you're getting that at the battery, right?
I'm sorry, say what?
Where are you getting the 12 volts?
Off the battery.
So there we go. So we know the battery's got 12 volts. We just don't know about the rest of the fuses and the rest of the vehicle. So based on what you're telling me, most everything doesn't have power. That means the problem is closer to the battery. That's what it tells me.
So there's the one on the positive battery post, and then there's what you said, 2 or 3 under the hood.
Then you got the underhood fuse block on the right side of the engine compartment.
Right.
And then you have an auxiliary fuse box or block that's right below the underhood fuse block. So you get another one there right below that.
All right, well, let me go. I'll go take a look.
All right, sounds good. Luck.
All right, thanks.
You bet. You're welcome. Bye-bye.